Hello and welcome to this lecture of our first milestone project. We will discuss in this lecture helpful notes and steps for the project of this game. Colors choices game project helpful notes and steps. In this text lecture, you will have guides for helping you to complete the project. Sometimes this project can feel difficult, like being at the end of closed way. So you will learn how to find an open way to the solution. To help you out with this, here is some notes to help you understand how to start coding and think in solution. And your solution may look completely different than the given solution that is right if it works properly. If these notes below isn't fully helpful for you, check out the project walkthrough for more explanation and help. So, what is the project scope and what you need in this project to happen? Firstly, we need to create choices for players and choices for computer. Then ask players for inputs. Compare their inputs with the choice of the computer. Check if the game is won, tied, lost, and or going. Repeat these steps until the game has been won or tied. Ask if players want to play again, and if players agree to start game again, and if players say no, end the game and say thanks for the players. Let's break those notes down into steps. Importing needed modules for our project. Then we will define the main while loop and put the second while loop inside it. Declare colors choices as variables and specify colors of the game inside the nested while loop. Define the game rules by using the second while loop, if statement, and the random modules using the second while loop, if statement, and the random modules. Randint function to get an integer between 1 and 5. Then random modules randinit function to get an integer between 1 and 5. Then print the outputs of these big nested loop and the if statements inside these big while loop. Show scores of computer and player after each player turn. Use the if statement to ask the player if he wants to play again. If the player chooses yes, so restart the game. If the player say no, so end the game and say thanks for playing. Great job, and remember, this is a milestone project, so it means to be challenging, so try to learn from it. Other thing is that you may want to implement taking a player input. How to take a player input? You have to use input function. You can use it as following: player underscore choice equal int, open parenthesis input, open second parenthesis, double quotes, enter valid input, column, close double quotes, close parenthesis, close the last parenthesis. You should make it int input function to avoid coding errors. Then you would see a pop-up message occur with a text box asking you for your input. Then you will type in the number and press enter. Now the program will compare between computer choice and the player input to ensure of player valid input. In the project solution, the program reminds a player to put in a correct and a valid input, again from number 1 to number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw a message in the start of the game. Thank you for watching. See you next lecture.